happened was true. The most bizarre and brutal series of crimes.
Hello everyone. They did it. Like, everybody's been asking me for a new cartel video, and yeah, my recording space isn't available at the moment, so we're back in the bathroom for this one too, but yeah. No, but I was literally just answering, like, I just responded to a comment, like, you're probably on here watching this video right now, and I go to sleep last night, and I wake up, kind of look at that comment again, and I'm starting to poke around for topics and stuff, because, you know, working in the bigger stuff doesn't fill in for now. So, you know, that's where we're at. And this awkward camera angle for me. But yeah, and then sure as shit last night, the CJNG uploaded something. Now, I mean, they specifically, I don't know, it was uploaded last night, and it happened within the last 48 hours, that's all I know. And there's a whole message that goes along with it, and it is absolutely fucking crazy. The video is very brutal from what I've been reading. We're gonna dive right into that. So for those of you out of the loop, the CJNG, I mean, we can give a disturbed reality, like, you know, video padding explanation as to their history. But what I will tell you is if you don't know about them already, I will be making a good documentary on the whole subject. But a brief little thing is, cartels are bad. We know cartels are scary and like, whoa, don't mess with them, right? Well, the CJNG is so damn bad that the other cartels had to make a supergroup Avengers cartel to fight them, and they were losing. But recently, Mexican Special Forces, as well as a supposed joint operation with U.S. Special Forces, actually eliminated the leader, El Mencho, who, scary man. Which in turn caused a sort of civil unrest in Mexico to where they were literally killing everybody. They released a message in Telegram that said to kill everyone that's outside. And then when he died, it got worse. I mean, they went into an airport and just, like, started no rushing. I mean, there was a Costco, like, bombing or something. Like, there was a lot to cover. I kind of meant to cover this as it was happening, but I just didn't really know how to approach it. So that's why we really didn't. But then they elected his stepson as the new CJNG leader. And from what I've been reading about this man, he's a lot meaner than El Mencho. Like, they installed a much harsher guy, I guess, and I don't know how true all that is or whatever. Like, I got no qualms with the CJNG. They seem to like my content, and I'd like it if they didn't dislike me, so yeah, I'm too white for that shit. So this video was supposedly filmed in Coatzacoalcos, Veracruz. Did I do that right? Did I screw that up? Did I screw that up? I hope not. Rachel Nall, the governor of Veracruz, has received some very serious criticism around this newest video, which reflects the discontent and general atmosphere of the fear that pervades much of the Mexican provinces to this day. That felt AI generated. I didn't write that, that's something I'm reading off of. It's got a watermark from a quote-unquote narco journalist. Commenters are commenting on here that the shift of brutality is very chaotic in the post-El Mencho CJNG, so this video is going to be pretty interesting. I'm trying to find the, like, actual info I can give you before we dive in, though. A lot of rambling in these things. The CJNG claims that the victims in the video are from another criminal group who terrorized the local population and have contributed to the increase in crime wave. The victims have reportedly been missing for some time, and they believe they are the same remains found in Estero del Pantano. I did not mean to do the white boy, give it an accidental accent. That came out natural. God damn, you start talking to Latinas and then just your brain. That's not a joke. That could be funny to you, but that deeply melanated women though, they don't rub off the fucking dialogue on me for some reason. I don't know, spin that any way you want for Reddit. But like, I'm so glad I'm not that type of white guy. that's all I'm saying. I'm just, there's a type, and my brother was definitely that type, and it's like, but I'm the one that actually got the dreadlocks at some point, so that's kind of interesting. Alrighty, let's dive into this, man. She's such a beautiful dog, but she's so old, and she's so silly, and she's just pacing, waiting for me to get out here so she can lay with me and I can pet her. She's gonna like put her head. She's a really old pit bull. She's gonna like put her head on my lap when I go to the edit, and she's just so cute and sweet. She's such a sweet baby. I love her so much. She's such a gentle baby. All she wants to do is cuddle. I love that. Oh, anyway, let's watch this guy die horribly. Starting in 3, 2, 1. There's a TikTok watermark on this. Oh my. Oh, they weren't kidding. Oh, they just don't care. Ooh. Okay, so there's no start. Why did they got a medieval chopping axe? Oh, they're sawing his hand off with dull blades. These are all dull blades. This is horrible. Wow, boys, you went off like a best pussy bit disorder girly. Like, that's fucking nuts. Like, there was no build up. It was only a 10, and they just swung at their bound hands with an axe and then started, like, they're not even dismembering them fully. It's like, oh, he's going for the neck. Oh. Oh, they're letting him run around and struggle. Oh, that's bad. That's really bad. Oh my. I guess jeans are really one of the more reliable articles of clothing, huh? A lot of guys wear jeans out in the fields and shit, and like, I've never been a jean guy, that's why I'm no stranger to work, but not really in jeans. Yo, why are you hitting the Ruby the Cherry with your legs stretched out over his body, dismembering him? He's not even fully out. Oh, he's gonna go with the axe. Oh. His head's not off. That's him. And they're chopping at it. Me and the boys, when we play DayZ, there's no boys, it's just me. Oh my god. This is one of the most brutal ones I've ever seen. They still got the guy in the back and they're kicking his ass and cutting him. Oh my god. They can't even get this dude's head off with that dull ass axe, and they're chopping like, oh, the other guy's conscious, and he's next to the other guy. He knows what's about to happen. And they're kicking the... They got a stick? Oh, it's a machete. I thought he was just hitting at the nape of the half-stringy neck with a stick. This is a long one. Normally I check the video length first. I didn't. My bad. We might be here a minute, guys. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie. Who's the cameraman here? Because we got a high focus on the already dead guy, and whatever they're doing to homie over on the right, I can't see. There's a lot of red, though. Oh, that's sad. Calling for his mommy. That's a very common phenomenon when you're, being murdered. Instinctually calling out for your mother. I, personally... Ew. That's really, really gross. I'd call out for Norm Macdonald. I'd want him to come save me. I feel like he would have something funny and quippy to say as I'm getting my head cut off. Oh, he's like riding the machete like a pogo stick to break this guy's rib cage. Like, what do we... Sir. Oh, he's in there. I don't know if I like the fact that he approached this man's chest cavity like a watermelon. But that's the kind of part that's throwing me off. Ooh, he's got a laser on his gun. That's kind of cool. Oh, those BDU pants are nice, too. I'm sorry, I'm a little jaded these days. Sometimes sometimes things, combined with the ADHD and the weird gay man that's in me that likes home decor. Yeah, like Bro, you're gonna hurt yourself. You're working too hard, like he's dead. The shock of the dole is already done. Like, yeah, he's like, yeah, I'm done with this. Here, you take a whack at it. Literally, that's not how you. Did I say this joke already? Well, I'm gonna say it again. I feel like this is not the most adequate way to farm wood in Minecraft. Oh, it's a frog. I was like, why is there like a every time he swings the axe? Are we getting frogs sinking with the gore? Are these Sicario frogs? Why are the lights out? Oh, it ended. Why'd they turn the lights off? What if the guy was gonna go do something? Like, that was really bad. Yeah, one sec, we're gonna read that another tidbit about that. A message from one of the Sicarios involved say that we are the CJNG, we do not want protection money, we do not extort nor kill innocent people. I kind of feel like we're stretching the truth a little there, but I'm not gonna tell them how they do their business. Unlike the Mafia Veracruzana, we are just muffled by the screams of the damned. That went hard, and this is how you will end. Regards, CJNG. Oh man, they gave him the asshole, like, business email, fuck you, because normally you put, like, best regards or something, or, you know, I don't know about any of you out there, but, like, I got a decent amount of business experience, and I know how to talk, and that was most certainly, like, a fuck you. And to have the business etiquette to do something like this, and then just be like, regards. Like, there's something about that that's so creepy and funny to me all at the same time, I have to admit. It's weird. I guess these guys are the ones that are possibly the victims, because they went missing a month back. Oh, another Sicario commented, the cleaning has begun, you motherfuckers. Long live Cartel Jalisco. This comment, please execute the cameraman. Why is he fixed on the already dead guy for the entire second half of the video? Thank you. When just a few feet away, there's someone kicking and screaming. I hope the cartel watches their videos after and punishes the shitty care work so we don't have to suffer. And then you got people in full Reddit fashion commenting back and just be like, exactly. Actually. Like, oh god. It doesn't change, does it, anywhere? You, like, the degenerates of the world are all like that. That's crazy. This was horrible, and it's not going to be the last piece of media that we see coming out. I'm just kind of surprised at the context, really. But I guess back to business as usual. But I definitely agree with the more chaotic energy there, because normally, I mean, if you're seasoned with any kind of cartel video, you know there's always like they tell what they did, there's a build-up, it's this, it's tense, and then the execution. This was like, hi, video started, we're whacking their bound hands with a dull axe. Like, oh, okay. It really, really, really goes to 0 to 100 instantly, and that shows probably how brutal things are going to become. And we got quite a bit before our politics here change in America, so I imagine we're going to feel more conflict. I try not to get too political, but it's like, really? That's who we want to go after right now? Not to mention the other thing that I can't mention, because my channel will be, like, destroyed by Big Brother. But you know what I mean? Like, this is priority right now, apparently, is pissing these people off. Yeah, these are the guys we want to fuck with. And then I know everybody's behind the keyboard like, America's got this. Yeah. But that doesn't mean they're not gonna snatch and kill people and fuck things up on the way. Mexico's government had it too. I'm sure they have it under control right now. I'm sure it's great. And by the way, the reality of things here is we can't raise Mexico to the fucking dirt with an AC-130 to solve the problem like we do in other countries, because, you know, a little too close to our land and that won't be as coverable. So, anyway, I think I've rambled long enough on this one. I wanted to give you a nice piece of blood and guts while we can, and oh my, was there a lot of it. So if you like things like this, subscribe, check out my description for all my uncensored as well as premium content, get Discord access, chat with me daily, blah 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 blah. We got merch too, we got a lot of stuff. But it's not all about that. I just want you to get the most you can and be happy while you're subscribed here, basically. I want to build the community. That's my goals right now. Financially, we're pretty Gucci, so I ain't gonna be too greedy. I'm more worried about the love. But I love you all dearly. Stay safe out there. Don't be like that one guy on TikTok talking shit about All Men Show, getting death threats, by the way. That's something to talk about. I can't wait to see him pop up. Funny things. But again, this is the real goodbye. I love you all dearly. Stay safe out there. And remember, if it bleeds, it leads.